Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. I have won another giveaway. This time it's from Blue Collar Fishing. And here that is. Right there, Blue Collar Fishing. Oh, wow. Got some Mr. Twister Electric Chicken. Mr. Twister Mardi Gras Slug. So far, both of those I've never used. 7-inch Wounded Rattle Shad SX. Pretty neat looking. Never used one of those either. 5.5-inch Wounded Rattle Shad. Some 2/0 Trapper Tackle Hooks. Okay, one's an offset, one's a drop shot. Both 2/0. Never used those Trapper Tackle Hooks before. Look pretty neat. A Next Gen Baits koozie. And a Next Gen Baits sticker. Awesome. Some Havoc Pit Boss Skit Reese design. Some Trapper Treble size 4. Those are some pretty neat looking hooks. Some Watermelon Pearl Yum Dingers. Mr. Twister Chameleon Candy 5-inch. Golly. Don't Tread on Me fillet knife. Life is One Nice Ride. Towel from Nice Ride. Got a bag of Martise lures. Looks like a jig. Pretty cool. Another jig. And another jig. A box of jackslures.net. Jack's Lures. Wow. We got several different style of crankbaits. It's pretty sweet. Nice variety. Some Cowboy Coffee Chew. Major League Coffee Dip. Pretty neat. Tobacco-free energy. and some Far Out Foods packets. We got Cajun Sprinkle, Righteous Ranch, Totally Taco, It's Italian, Luscious Lemon Pepper, Big Guy Hot Breakfast Sausage Mix. Therein lies the rub. Groovy Greek, Cowboy Coffee Chew, Sizzling Steak, and Buckin' Barbecue Seasoning Rub from Far Out Foods. I want to thank Blue Collar Fishing for sending me this giveaway. A lot of stuff I'm going to try out, never tried before. Please go show some love over at Blue Collar Fishing. I'm going to post his channel trailer right here. It's only a minute long. Go over there, watch it. If you like fishing, you'll definitely like his channel. Head on over there and hit that subscribe button for him. Check out some of his other videos. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Till next time, have a great day.